Hi guys, it's Ryan from Hills Estate Agents. I'm on St George's Crescent at Salford M6 to show you this spacious 3-bedroom semi-detached property. It's got a driveway providing off-road parking for several cars. And as we head through into the porch, this gives access to a walking entrance hallway, which on your left benefits from an additional reception room that will need some decorating. So we head on through on your right. We've got a large open plan lounge diner with a bay window as well and patio doors to the rear. We've got a spacious fitted kitchen, which provides access to the rear with a detached garage, along with a generous garden with mature plants as well. The property is in a really convenient location within walking distance of Salford Royal Hospital. There's excellent transport links throughout Manchester. It'd be a great family home. It's within catchment of Ellesmere Park High School as well, along with being close to several well-kept parks. As we head upstairs, on your first left, you'll find large 4-piece bathroom. Then we have the second bedroom through here with views of the garden to the rear. We have the third bedroom, which is large for a third double bedroom. We have the main bedroom benefiting from the bay window as well, letting plenty of light in. The property also benefits from a loft room upstairs as well, with the potential for further development. Get in touch, could give you in today.